museums, collectors, and individuals trying to avoid taxes.
Weasel News, confirming your prejudices.
Paperwork. What you packing? You know, standard LSPD issue 9 mil. Sweet. Get out of the car!
Shit! All right, let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Michael!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Go, 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 go!
Relax. I got this.
Drive, Michael!
I'm on top of it. God damn it! Fuck! Not the car!
No seatbelt! The cops are still after us!
Relax. I got this.
You trying to kill me back here? Come on, come on, come on!
I'm on top of it.
I do not want to go to prison!
Relax. I got this.
Shit! They're still on us!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
There's no point in losing the cops if I'm dead in the back seat! They're coming, Michael!
Chill out. It's under control.
Get us out of here!
Relax. I got this.
We have a visual on the target.
I'm taking an anti-anxiety.
Perp in sight, in pursuit.
Is that it? Are they gone?
Of course they're gone. Who are you talking to? Come on, I'll take you back to the house.
Don't say it!
What?
That I have everything I want, so why am I stealing?
Oh, my lips are sealed.
Because if you say that, I'll say the same to you.
I'm not saying anything. I'm just doing my best to keep us out of jail.
Can we drive home, please? I mean, who are you to judge me?
Oh, I'm not judging? No, not at all.
You're loving this, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. Risking prison, getting shot at. Love, love, big love.
So this is what it's like to be you.
Not really, honey. See, I'm a semi-successful crook. You're a bit of a failure, but hey, kudos for trying.
Not that successful if you're in witness protection.
Well, I've got an idea. Why don't we see what Agent Dave and the FIB think of this lovers on the run at?
Where are you going?
You know, I'm sort of thankful for this.
Thankful? This is the worst... The worst day of my life.
Ah, come on, you're doing your part. Your spending habits got us into a sticky financial situation, so you're cutting corners.
Really? My spending habits? I've seen your day trader account.
Oh, hey! That's private. I swear, password protection, it ain't even sacred no more.
Give it up. You pissed our savings down the toilet.
Really? Our savings?
Yeah, our savings. I gave up everything to start this life with you, you selfish shit.
Yeah, okay, all right, whatever. Our savings. It's just, look, you can't look at the day-by-day figures. You gotta look at the overall, the net figure.
I've seen the net. It's a fucking disgrace.
Hey, I'm bringing it around.
Not funny!
I'm bringing it around.
Sure you are. Just please give me some warning before they repossess.
It ain't that bad.
Couple of weeks. A day even. I don't want to be there.
Honey, we're fine.
Sure. Are we going home?
Fucking Christ!
Great! You fucking flipped it!
See some bad drivers with you!
It's me!
Drive normally! Get rid of the car, Michael. It can't stay in the driveway. Oh, and yeah. Thank you.